Hi kids, in today's video we're going to do some more questions and these are kind of interesting. Okay, you have to try it with me. Bring your abacus and try with me. Okay, first question 32. Okay, ma'am, done. 32 minus 14. What is 14? 10 and 4 is 14, no? 10 and 4. If we see how 14 is made, 1, 4, 14. That side is 10, 10 side is 10 and one side is 4. So minus 14. That is, okay, means minus 10 and minus 4. How can I do minus 4? I don't have beats. When we don't have beats, we apply formula. What is the formula of minus 4? Minus 10 plus 6. Here also formulas. Double digit, triple digit, whatever we have. Formulas are gonna be like this. Now, plus 27. Okay, what is 27? 20 and 7. Okay, 20 and 7. Again, I don't have beats to add 7. So, plus 10 minus 3. My answer is 45. Clear? Okay, next question. 15, 28. Do I have beats for... Okay, first I have beats for 20. Okay, 28 is 20 and 8. Do I have beats for 8? No, ma'am. What is the formula of 8? Plus 10 minus 2. This is whole 28 I did. 20 I did first, 8 I did now. Now 17. What is 17? 10 and 7, no? How should I add 10? I don't have beats for 10. So, now I want to know the formula of 10. Why? Because I don't have beats for 10. I have to add 17. 17 is, if we break it, it is 10 and 7. That means we have to add 10 first, then we have to add 7. Do I have beats for 10? No. Okay. So, ma'am, now we have to learn the formula of 10 also. Not learn exactly, but you have to, you know, get the formula in your mind. How will you get it? Okay, 10. Okay, if we remove 0 from 10, it is 1, no? Okay. So what is the formula of 1? It is, ma'am, small friends and big friends. First we will check small friends every time. So plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Add the 0 again that we deducted. That makes, ma'am, plus 10 equals to plus 50 minus 40, right? Can we do plus 50 minus 40 here? Yes, ma'am, we can do. Plus 50 minus 40 is the formula of 10. We didn't learn, we didn't do anything. Since we learned the formula of 1s plus 1, all the one-digit numbers, we can get the formula for tens also, okay? 17 I had to do. For that, 10 and 7 was supposed to be done. 10 we did. Now 7. What is the formula of 7? Plus 10 minus 3. Clear? Clear now. Last, yeah, that was it. Okay. This is how you are supposed to do. Okay. Rewatch it. Get the idea again what I'm trying to say. I'll see you in the next video with more concepts. Okay. Bye bye.